Assalamu alaykum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I am Afra Suleiman from Osman Institute, Dubai. Welcome to this important conversation on the step-by-step method of children's upbringing, that's Tarbiyyah. Brought to you by Osman Institute. In this video, we will walk you through our carefully designed system of Tarbiyyah aimed to nurturing your child's character, habits, and overall development. Let's begin. First step, the Tarbiyyah Workbook. Our first and most essential tool is the Tarbiyyah Workbook. This workbook allows parents to monitor and evaluate their child's behavior on a daily basis. It's designed to track both good habits and bad habits throughout the week. Each week begins with a weekly Tarbiyyah performance chart. For good habits, parents are requested to tick the corresponding box from Monday to Sunday as their child demonstrates positive behavior. Underneath that, you will find a section for bad habits. If your child shows any undesirable behavior, parents can tick the respective box for that day. This weekly tracking allows for consistent and constructive feedback on your child's behavior. This book will be there with the parents throughout the month. Parents are requested to send the book in 15 days and also after the month completes. Underneath that, there is a teacher remark and parent remark. Parents are requested in additional if they want to write about their child's behavior, they can write there. In addition, the workbook also includes a daily time management chart. This chart helps children to manage their daily routine, such as waking up, going to school, having lunch and bedtime, and reading Salah. It serves as a tool to promote healthy time management and discipline in their daily lives. Lastly, the workbook features a book reading tracker. This tracker helps your child log their daily reading of moral or Islamic books, with special charts provided at the end of the workbook to encourage and monitor regular reading habits. Additionally, the diary includes weekly inspection results. It also tracks the target given to your child and whether it has completed or not. This allows parents to closely monitor their child's academic performance, including which parts of the syllabus have been covered and how well they have met their targets. The diary also includes all chapter exam results, remarks, and portion of all exams. Moreover, the diary provides an overview of your child's overall exam results, ensuring you to stay up to date with their academic progress. Our next step is the Salah Chart. We place great importance on Salah, which is why the Salah Chart is included in the last pages of Tarbiyyah Workbook. This chart tracks your child's daily prayer habits for a period of 6 months. As the Tarbiyyah book is also designed as per the period of 6 months. Parents and children together can mark whether the child performed their prayers each day, promoting a consistent practice of Salah. Moving on, we have the Tarbiyyah Marksheet. Every 15 days, we request parents to send the Tarbiyyah Workbook to the Institute for evaluation. Based on the workbook entries, teachers will fill out the Tarbiyyah Marksheet, assigning marks out of 50 for the first half of the month, and another 50 at the month's end. After each month, the child will receive a total score out of 100, reflecting their overall performance in the Tarbiyyah program. Our next step is the Punctuality Card. Students who arrive on time to class every day and maintain full attendance throughout the month will be awarded a punctuality card. This encourages responsibility and discipline in both their academic and personal lives. Our sixth step is the Excellence Card. Now, based on the Tarbiyyah Marksheet, if a child achieves a score of 90 or above by the end of the month, they will receive an excellence card. We have specially designed excellence cards for all 12 months of the year. Our next step is the Tarbiyyah Show, which will be conducted at the end of the academic year as a part of our annual event. This special event is an opportunity for children to showcase their growth and learning through Islamic performances, such as recitations, nasheeds, and short plays that highlight the Islamic values and teachings they have learned throughout the year. The Tarbiyyah Show celebrates their achievements, and students who have earned excellence cards throughout the year will be recognized along with those who have shown exemplary behavior and academic progress. It's a moment of pride for both the students and their parents, as we all come together to honor the best Aklak and Tarbiyyah in a festive Islamic atmosphere. Our final steps are the Best Aklak Certificate and the Best Aklak Prize. If a student manages to collect 8 excellence cards in a year, they will be awarded the Best Aklak Certificate and the Best Aklak Prize, recognizing their exceptional behavior and conduct throughout the year. This step-by-step approach to children's upbringing at Osman Institute is designed to nurture strong morals, discipline, and academic performance. Each element, from the workbook to the Best Aklak Prize, ensures that your child grows with good manners and a sense of responsibility. We look forward to parenting with you in this journey of Tarbiyyah. Jazakumullahu khairan for your attention, and may Allah guide and bless our children with the best of the character and success in both this life and the hereafter. Assalamu alaykum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.